everyone, how's it going? Lately I have been very much feeling the spooky, magical fall spirit, so I wanted to put together a bunch of witchy outfits that embody those vibes so we can all relish in them together. I had so much fun really getting into this energy for this video, so I really hope you enjoy it. Alright, let's go. Okay, so first I just wanted to show you the jewelry I'm wearing with every outfit. I feel like lots of jewelry is very witchy in general, and in the jewelry I'm wearing we've got celestial, mushroom, insect, and crystal motifs going on here, so all very witch appropriate. Okay, for outfit number one, we're starting off with more of a hot, edgy witch vibe. Obviously, all black makes sense, and I especially think a black turtleneck is a witch classic. Don't ask me why. But then we added the corset style top for some dimension, some detail, and to add in that more vintage slash fantasy kind of vibe that also makes it a little more sexy and alluring. I love this look. Overall, I feel like it's giving The Craft a little bit. I've never seen that movie, so I am sorry if I'm way off. Okay, for this next outfit, I wanted to do sort of a historical yet otherworldly, ghostly kind of look, so I went all out layering this super sparkly silver dress over my gigantic puff sleeve blouse. Then, just to be even more extra, I added this collar clip that is some sort of family hand-me-down. I do not know how old it is, but I think it accentuates the sort of vintage, ghosty vibe of this look. Also, a white collar poking out from under anything, instantly witchy. Don't know why, doesn't matter. Okay, now we have a more everyday type of look, but still on the edgier side. We have this velvet dress, because velvet is very witchy to me, layered over a black mesh top to maintain the darker, edgier look. This look is giving me major 90s Sabrina vibes. Also, obviously, we have tights again. I just kept the tights on for all the looks in this video because they add a darker element and just feel appropriate for fall and also for witches. Alright, now we are getting into that more vintage academia type of witch look with the houndstooth blazer, oversized sweater, and loafers. This might be more of a dark academia look than a witch look, but I feel like they overlap a lot, right? Maybe because back to school and Halloween are both in the fall? Or academia and witches both have old-timey roots? Someone should write a think piece on this. Also, if you want to see a dark academia outfits video, let me know in the comments. Now we have an even more academic look. I feel like there are a lot of high school girl witches in pop culture, so a preppy school uniform look just made sense to me. I was especially thinking of The Chilling Adventures of Sabrina for this one with the headband and tall socks, which by the way are definitely Adidas soccer socks, but whatever, I made it work. By the way, these loafers, so perfect, I love them. I just thrifted them for $5. Amazing. Alright, now we are taking a turn into a more casual, earthy type of witch, the kind with a magical greenhouse where she brews her own herbal teas or something. Obviously, overalls are very garden appropriate, and the headscarf feels both earthy and witchy bohemian. Then I went with this super cozy sweater because the color palette and knit fabric both feel very witchy and very cozy fall vibes. Plus for shoes, I did my Doc Martens for sort of a work boot look. This next outfit feels like sort of an in-between of everyday casual and bohemian. I went with this longer black and white skirt for a flowy dark feel, and then paired it with a simple purple tank top because, as we all know, purple is a witch color. Then I threw on this cardigan to make it a little more cozy and fallish. I think if I were a witch, this would be my everyday look. I like how it balances dark and vintage and boho and contemporary. Now we are onto the most full-on bohemian look of the video. We have that same skirt, but this time paired with a super loose flowy green tank top because again, as we all know, green is the other witch color besides purple. Then I added the oversized cardigan to really emphasize the drapey silhouette and again maintain the fall coziness. This outfit feels like meeting in the middle of Witches of Eastwick, Hocus Pocus, and a Ghibli movie. Alright, next up we are using that same cardigan paired with the loafers for a more everyday vintage inspired look. We have this green patterned romper underneath, which does look more like a dress at the moment. I want to alter it, but it works like this for now. Then it occurred to me to layer a white button-up underneath the romper, so that is what I did. Like I said, a layered white collar is witch culture. This next look is what I would like to call my witchy teacher outfit. As I said earlier, black turtlenecks are a fall staple and a witch staple, and so are long skirts with beautiful, warm fall color palettes. I know this look is not that creative, but sometimes I do get a little overzealous with the details and forget the classic options like this one, which I also really love. I also really like these boots with this skirt. They're not tall, but since the skirt is long, the top of the boots still sort of hides underneath, which is a fun look. Now we have another sort of 70s teacher type of outfit. Do teachers have witch vibes? Do the 70s? Is it both in combination? Again, where is the think piece? Anyway, I had to use this dress somewhere in this video. Between the velvet, the color, the length, and the bell sleeves, it's undeniably witchy. Then I added this scarf because it has the perfect color palette and adds that drapey layered look. On top, I added the leather jacket to keep it dark and warm enough for fall. This last look is a subtle nod to one of my favorite witches of pop culture. It's Kiki from Kiki's Delivery Service. I don't have a black dress or a red bow, so I improvised with a black t-shirt and skirt and a red scrunchie. Pop culture witches always have the best style. I mean, besides the ones I've already mentioned, there's also Twitches, Charmed, Practical Magic, Bewitched, Buffy the Vampire Slayer, who I know is not a witch, but who has the right vibes, the Addams Family, and of course, the anime-inspired 2000s cartoon, Witch. I owe them all my style and my life. Please tell me in the comments which witchy aesthetic you are most into. If you like this video, you'll probably also enjoy my outfits inspired by a random aesthetic generator video. I just feel like some of the looks have sort of similar vibes. And I heard if you like, comment, and subscribe, you will gain the magical witchy power to control the weather. I don't know. That's just what I heard. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!